Think you're doing chest dips correctly? Let me hit you with a truth bomb. Most people who do dips are not training chest. They're slowly destroying their shoulders. And here's the scary part. The stronger you get with bad form, the more damage you do. So before you do another rep, let me show you the right way. Because one small change can turn this from shoulder killer into one of the best chest building exercises you'll ever use. Let's fix your dips. Alright, quick question. Have you ever done chest dips and only felt them in your triceps or shoulders? If yes, you're making one of these three mistakes. Crossmark mistake number 1, staying too upright. This turns your dip into a triceps exercise, not chest. Crossmark mistake number 2, keeping your legs straight under you. This shifts your body into a vertical line, again pulling tension off the chest. Crossmark mistake number 3, letting your shoulders shrug up. This is the biggest shoulder wrecker. It closes the space in your shoulder joint and literally grinds your rotator cuff. But don't worry, all of these have simple fixes. And in a minute, I'll show you the exact chest dip posture that instantly activates your lower chest like never. Section 2, hinting at proper method with curiosity. So here's a little clue. Chest dips work best when your body creates a forward C-shaped arc, not a straight line. Think about a bird leaning forward before taking flight. Chest open, shoulders down, body in. But how do you actually get into that position? Let's take it step by step. Step by step form breakdown, simple, intermediate, advanced. Step 1, set up simple level. Before you even lift your body, grab the bars a little wider than shoulder width. Squeeze the handles as if you're trying to bend the bars outward. This instantly sets your chest and shoulders in a safe, powerful position. Now lean forward slightly. Not too much, just enough that your chest moves ahead of your hands. Mini light bulb moment. If your chest is behind your hands, you're training triceps. If your chest is in front of your hands, you're training chest. Step 2, leg position, intermediate level. This is where most people get it wrong. To shift tension to your chest, bring your legs slightly behind you. Cross your ankles, bend your knees. Why? Because this automatically tilts your torso forward, giving your chest more leverage. Imagine your legs acting like a counterweight that naturally pulls you into the right angle. Step 3, shoulder and elbow mechanics, intermediate and advanced. Now let's talk upper body control. When you dip down, pull your shoulders down and away from your ears. Think of pushing your shoulder blades into your back pockets. Let your elbows flare slightly, around 30 to 40 degrees. Not tucked tight like triceps dips, and not flared wide like a scarecrow. This elbow angle opens your chest fibers and protects your shoulder joint. Step 4, range of motion, advanced level. Listen carefully. This part changes everything. On your way down, stop when your shoulders are slightly below your elbows. Going too deep overstretches your shoulders. On your way up, push until your arms are straight, but never lock out fully. Locking out sends tension into your joints instead of your chest. Wrong versus right contrast. Let me paint the picture. Crossmark wrong. Body straight as a pole. Legs hanging directly under you. Elbows tucked tight. Shoulders shrugging up. Chest barely doing any work. Heavy check mark right. Torso lean forward. Legs behind you. Ankles crossed. Shoulders depressed. Chest leading the movement. Elbows flared naturally. If you feel your lower chest burning halfway through the set, congratulations, you're doing real chest dips. Mini story / analogy. Think of your core and shoulder position like the foundation of a skyscraper. If the foundation is crooked, the whole building becomes unstable. Chest dips are the same. If your base, shoulders, core, ankle is solid, the entire movement becomes powerful, controlled, and safe. But if your foundation collapses, your shoulders take the hit. Fix the foundation, and the lift becomes effortless. Closing recap. Let's quickly recap the perfect chest dip. Lean your torso slightly forward. Legs behind you, ankles crossed. Shoulders down and back. Elbows slightly flared. Lower until shoulders dip just below elbows. Push up without locking out. Do this, and chest dips turn into one of the most powerful chest building movements you'll ever use. OUTRO. Challenge plus motivation. Now here's your challenge. Go try 10 flawless chest dip reps right now. Not fast, not sloppy, but perfectly controlled. Feel how different your chest activates this time. If you nail these reps, you're no longer just doing dips. You're mastering chest training. Keep practicing, keep improving. And remember, small details create